This your host with the motherfucking most. Today we're gonna be changing the coolant out of our dirt bike. 2-stroke, any air or cool. No, let me stop fucking with y'all. Today we're gonna be changing the coolant on a dirt bike. It works for all dirt bikes to have a coolant system like this. So as you can see, we already got our coolant, but right now you're gonna have to drain the coolant. So in order to do that, you're gonna need to have the right tool to do the job. So in this case, this is our coolant plug right here. So we're gonna loosen that. And be aware, because when that thing starts coming out, it's gonna spray everywhere. So you wanna make sure you have everything clean out of the way to do the job the right way. So with that being said, I'm just gonna drain this fluid right back in here because this is still good fluid. So you wanna move everything out the way that could get damaged and just try to catch the fluid back in there. Try not to drop the bolt in there, because I've done that before too. Okay, that was the wrong bolt. Whoops. It's the other bolt. My bad. We all fuck up sometimes. Try to catch as much of that fluid as you can. Easy. 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 And just let it catch. What a fucking mess. So you just let it drip, 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 and that's how you change the coolant or drain the coolant in your dirt bike.